Santorini Greece Vibe Hotel starting at 2,300 pesos. No need to travel by plane since we have our own. Dito lang yan sa La Bella Boutique Hotel in Tagaytay. For only 2,300 pesos, you'll experience their classic amenities. And take note, there's no additional fee to use the pool. Once na mag-book ka, pwede mong gamitin. Aside from that, we're able to enjoy their indoor games inside the hotel and have a tour around their mini exhibit and museum. I'm happy that I'm able to witness people's creativity and talent. Every corner of the place is really aesthetic and Instagrammable. Ito yung room na pinagstayan namin. Affordable, yet spacious. Meron silang TV, study table, queen bed. Upon your stay, meron namang free wifi kaya no need to worry about the signal. Meron ding refrigerator, essentials, shower with heater, and towels. Ang ganda pa ng view. They also have roof deck na pwedeng tambayan at magpahangin anytime. Sulit talaga yung stay dito and marerelax ka talaga at ma-enjoy mo pa lahat ng amenities. Or kung gusto mo naman ng Mala Forest vibe, meron din sila. We had dinner at La Merceditas or the alley in front of the hotel. We ordered sinigang since super lamig nga dito and in fairness, ang dami ng servings. Kinabukasan naman, we ate breakfast at Body Cafe around the hotel lang din. And Instagrammable din ang place. Perfect breakfast ang classic silog meals with coffee. Overall, I would rate this hotel a 10 out of 10. Kaya if you're also looking for a perfect spot for vacation, I definitely recommend La Bella Boutique Hotel in Tagaytay. Affordable swimming pool and staycation around Pampanga? Let's go to Crisostomo Villa Resort. Dito lang yan sa Candaba, Pampanga. Madali lang puntahan, pwede kang mag-bus from Pitex or Cubao papuntang Baliwag, Bulacan and then tricycle na lang papuntang resort. Malawak and maganda ang place with 2 adult pools and kiddie pool. Meron din silang fishing pond. May playground din kaya pwedeng isama ang kids. You can rent their private rooms with aircon or open cottages with tables. Ang ganda ng scenery kaya marerelax ka talaga dito. Meron din silang slide. We enjoyed the facilities while strolling around the resort. They are also open for events and celebrations where you can rent their spacious function hall. Birthday, reunion, wedding, or kahit ano pa, pwede dito. Perfect talaga for barkada bonding or family vacation. Sulit value for money. Ito yung rates nila. Kaya if gusto nyo rin ng quick getaway bonding, tara na sa Crisostomo Villa Resort. Hotel with an overlooking view of Manila Bay that starts at 1,500 pesos. Near Robinsons Manila, Rojas Boulevard, and US Embassy. Dito lang yan sa Hop-In Ermita, Manila. Malawak yung standard room nila and provided din ang towels for all guests. Merong study table and chair, TV, and merong safe kaya secured ang gamit. Bonus pa na maganda ang view at makikita ang Manila Bay. Aside from that, ang lawak ng CR nila. Merong blower, glass door sa shower, and meron din silang heater. You can also request to clean up your room. I like that they're advocating for sustainability. Madami pang nearby areas na pwedeng puntahan. Kaya mag-book ka na rin sa Hop-In Ermita, Manila.